Hey guys, so today we're gonna try some remote kind of hacking. So I'm just a normal guy. I searched online, I was interested in phones, how you can remote control them, and if you can do this yourself by reading a guide online. And I find a pretty interesting guide, so I just want to show you some of the things here. It's pretty interesting. I'm not going to show you the full way, but I just want to, if people want to see the full way, then I might do a video on that, but I'm just going to try to show the interesting things. So we have an Android phone. It's actually going to be this phone. So basically what I've done here in preparations, which you need to do to get this to work, this is just for demonstration here, I just find it very interesting how it can work, is first I created a small little file, an Android install file, and I installed it on my phone, and it was just a few lines of code. It took like 1 minute to create the file, and then you just install it on your phone, as an APK file, and then it can do crazy stuff in the background without you knowing. So how we're gonna do this here is I'm gonna show you the second step in this remote control thing, how it works by writing a few lines of codes on the computer to gain access to the phone after you've installed the small little app. So yeah, I do have a Linux machine up here running remote from my computer. I installed in VirtualBox. Kali Linux is this version called the distro, so we don't even need to install it. You can just run it instantly here without having to install the full thing on your computer. So I'm just gonna launch it up, and hopefully this will work here in this demonstration, because it's really crazy what phones and stuff computers can do, ones and zeros. There really is a lot of things you can learn from it, and there's a lot of people that geeks are, you know, we need a lot of those people, so it's good that if you learn some stuff. These are really powerful machines actually. So the way we're gonna do this is I am instantly going to launch the terminal here, and I'm gonna, this is a very interesting distro. It's like you can do a lot of fun computer geeky stuff here and this distro Kali. So, and I'm not sure if I say that correct, but first we're going to launch a thing called MHF console, and it's going to launch a thing here. So it's going to launch this Metasploit framework console. Okay, so this seems to be a pretty powerful tool, so let's just try it out. So I'm gonna continue to write some code here, some basic stuff as a normal guy. We're gonna write use exploit multi-handler and sweep, and then we're gonna write set payload, and it's gonna be Android meter preter reverse TCP. This is gonna work only if you're on the same kind of local Wi-Fi network, because it's gonna listen for like stuff in the cloud or whatever. It's like interesting how it works. So we're gonna write that, and it should pop up like so, and then we're gonna set lhost to a local address here that I have on my local address that's gonna listen on, kind of. Okay, and then we're gonna set an L port to 8080, and then we're gonna type exploits, hit enter. Whoa, that's interesting. So it started the thing, and basically what I did on my phone to get this to run is you need to tap on the app also that you did create, or that I did create. I didn't show you that in this little video, but it's a small little app here, and I just tapped on it, and it basically launched the code, very simple code in the background. And basically what you now have, you have access to the phone. So just to show it how powerful it is, you did see this session 1 opened. So basically it kind of found the phone, after I clicked on the little app thing. So what I can now do is, for example, if I type help, I can see a ton of things, how I can like see stuff about this phone without opening up, but from this little computer thing. So for example, you can see I can check if the phone has roots, if it's rooted. So if I type that, it says device is rooted. So, you know, it's crazy powerful. So crazy stuff you can do here is you can, I can list the cameras that the phone has. So if I type webcam list, it says I have a back and front camera. So look at this crazy stuff I'm gonna do now. So the phone, I have it over here. Let's try an interesting thing. Can we take a photo with this one without using the phone, but wirelessly from this this terminal here? So I am going to write webcam snap, and then I'm gonna do and then I'm gonna do this, and then I'm gonna write back camera. This is like I stands for like which camera you want to take a snap from. So let's try this. So I have the phone up, let's have it up like this, and I'm gonna hit enter now, and we're gonna see what happens. Okay, got frame. It did take a picture. I didn't even use the phone. The phone was just lying there. And what happens? Used a tiny bit of app that I created myself. And I can, it's crazy. It did take a snapshot. It's like, whoa, this is crazy. This is insanity. So, I mean, this is like demonstration of how crazy this is. Let's try that again. So I'm just gonna hold it up like so, and yeah, let's try it again. And it says starting. Let's see, it's thinking, it is thinking. Oh no, operation fail. It didn't work that time. Let's try to see if we can do a snap from the front facing camera. So I'm just gonna hold it up like so. It's starting and it's thinking. It's thinking. Error. Yeah, timed out. This is the thing with hacking. Sometimes not everything works perfectly. It can also be that I had it locked, so let's just try it when it's opened up. Oh, it did it. It did it. So when I had the phone locked up, I had greater success with taking a snapshot. So you can basically see that's my camera. This is the camera I'm doing this video with. So it's so crazy, and that's just one of the things that I tried here. So I'm gonna do it again for fun. Let's try again with the front facing here and have it up like this. It did take way faster when the phone was unlocked. As you can see, perfect picture, or not perfect, but you can definitely see how crazy this is. And so what more things can you do? Well, if I type help here, you can see that the command is like, you can even record the mic on the phone. That's so crazy. Record audio from the default microphone for X number of seconds. I haven't got it to work that great because my mic on my phone is kind of bad. But you can, it's like crazy, man. You can change directory, you can remove directory, you can make directories, you can search for files on the phone. So it's really crazy stuff you can do, and it's good to know these things. So even like dumping SMS and tag contacts from your phone, and how you can wirelessly send it to your computer wirelessly over the air. I mean, it's really, really crazy stuff. And also this thing, let's try this one as the final thing. Webcam stream. So play a video stream from the specified webcam. So let's try to do that. So I'm just going to type in webcam stream, and let's do it on the back camera. So let's try it out. Let's see what happens. Let's see. So I am just gonna put this one in full screen. And it's not perfect, but whatever. Okay, let's see. As you can see, it works. And the crazy thing about this is the phone or the app. I don't even have. The thing is not even running here. Like it says there's no app running, but clearly, as you can see, it is running. So I mean, it's just crazy. It's crazy, these phones and the stuff you can do. It's like insanity. So yeah, just a quick little video testing it out a little bit. Hopefully you did enjoy. I definitely did enjoy to test it out when I was a little bit bored online. So remember it. I mean, these phones are super powerful, and yeah, I mean, you can really do crazy stuff with a bunch of code and stuff. So